Welcome back to our Python programming series. In our previous video, we learned variables and data types. Today, in day 3, we are going to learn operators in Python. Operators are symbols used to perform operation on values and variables. Let's begin. In today's class, we are going to cover arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and mini calculator program. By the end of this section, you will understand how Python performs calculations and decision making. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol used to perform operation. For example, 10 plus 20. Here, 10 and 20 are called operands and plus is called an operator. Operators are very important in programming because they help us perform calculations and comparison. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for mathematical operations. Here, plus means addition, minus means subtraction, multiply means multiplication, and division, remainder, floor division, and power. These are the basic operators used in every program. Now let's execute this program. I am creating new Python file called name as operator dot py. Here I'm going to type an arithmetic operator a equal to 10, b equal to 20, print a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a division b, floor division, modulus, and exponent. Here, Python performs all calculations and shows the output. This proves Python can work like a calculator. Comparison operator. Comparison operators compare two values. The output will always be either true or false. These operators are mainly used in conditions. For example, this is A greater than B. Is A equal to B. That's how comparison works. Now let's run this. I am deleting this. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Print A greater than B. A less than B equal to B, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. That's how comparison works. You can see Python checks the condition and returns true or false. This is very useful in decision making. Logical operator. Logical operators combine multiple conditions. There are three logical operators: and, or, not. And in this, both condition must be true. Then only it gives true. Or at least one conditions must be true. Not reverse the result. If result is true, then it reverses into false. These are mostly used in real world scenario like login system. Let's run this example. This is how logical operators work. Assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign and update values. For example, x plus equal to 5 means x equal to x plus 5. This saves time and makes code shorter. Real world example. Num1 equal to int input enter num1. Num2 equal to enter num2. Print num1 plus num2. The user enters two numbers 5 and 6 and Python adds them. This is simple real world example. Mini calculator program. This is our mini calculator project. So now we are getting numbers from user. Here we combine user input and arithmetic operators. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is a good beginner level project. Let's see output 6 and 7. We see here addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Today we learned arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, calculator program. In the next class, we will learn conditional statements like if, else, and elif. That's where programming gets more interesting. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click bell icon. Happy coding!